Hello, everybody. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to Language with Sarah. I'm your Italian teacher, Sarah, and today I'm with a new lesson. In 1 minute, learn 5 ways to say really in Italian. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel, then please subscribe it. Now let's begin. Davvero. Really? Davvero? Really? Please focus on the pronunciation and their spellings. Next one is veramente, veramente, really or truly. It means also truly or really. Veramente, really. If you like the video, then please like and comment on this video. Next one is seriously, sul serio, sul serio, seriously. If someone tells you something and you don't believe that, then you can say sul serio, or you can say this also. Sei sicuro? Sei sicuro? Are you sure? Say are you? And sicuro means sure. Sicuro, sure. Sei sicuro? Next one is You can simply use this with the hand sign. Italian in 1 minute or 3 minutes or 2 minutes. This is the easiest and fun way to learn Italian. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.